Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having an absolutely amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can restrict answers or rather responses on your forms in Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am logged into my tutorial account and I have entered Google Forms. To do this on PC, what you want to do is click on the 3x3 grid icon in the top right next to your account icon. Once you're here, just scroll all the way down and in the bottom left you'll have a Forms button. Once you click that, you will be taken to this screen or a similar screen. If you haven't created any forms on that account, in the bottom right you will just have a plus which looks like this, and you'll have a blank page which says that you don't have any forms. And if you do have any forms which you've created, you will see this sort of screen with all your recent forms listed here. Now, to actually restrict your forms, you can restrict them to only one response per person, and you do that like this. If I click onto the form, I will enter the form editor where I can change both the file name, the form title, or rather this section title, edit or create new questions or delete questions, whichever my heart desires. However, to actually edit or rather limit the responses to your form, what you want to do is go into settings, and once you're here under responses, you can click on that and you can edit the responses. You can allow response editing, you can collect email addresses through your responses, and here you can edit which emails you collect. However, to limit the responses, just click limit to one response. This will require for people to sign in. However, everybody who signs in will have only one response to their name, not more, not less. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.